Today we will learn how to add or edit a batch. So click on batch details to view your existing batch list. So now we have the existing batch list in front of us. We can either edit or delete it. To edit it, we have to click on the edit option and we can edit the name of the batch. And then we can either save it or save and add students option. So we'll click on save and add students option. After this, a new page is in front of us where we can add or remove the students we like. After we are done with this, we can click on save batch. Now we will see how to add a student and assign him a batch. So we have to fill in the basic details and the email ID of the student, and then click on add student option. It will redirect us to another page where we have to fill in the other details of the student and which batch we want to assign him to. We can also put in the address and other details which are of course optional, and click on add student. So now the student will be receiving a mail on his email ID with the link. He has to click on that link and follow the URL and create his profile on TrainLion.com. By creating a new password and confirming the same password, he will be able to create a new profile for him. Now he will click on save and login option, and this is his dashboard. Now we'll learn how to add a batch. Click on add a batch and then enter the name of your batch which you want to. Here we are entering basic course on web designing. And then add a batch. Click on add a batch option. Now we can add students we want to. And then click on save batch. Now we have to name our batch, that is basic course on web designing, and enter the class name. We can web designing, and then add a short information about the course which you are going to conduct or the class which you will be conducting. After you are done with this, you can set the schedule of the batch, that is from when you want to start the batch, and the duration. So after you are done with filling up these details, you can also upload a file by selecting from your desktop and then click on add class. The batch is visible in front of you. You can also post a comment by clicking on post a comment, and if you post any comment, it will be directly visible to your students and they will be notified about any upcoming event or anything that you want them to know, and then click on add a comment. Now the comment is visible to your students. This is how you add and edit a batch. Thank you.